Good morning, everyone. This is Shiva from Soundbox Irrigation Design Services. So today we are going to discuss about uh, Hunter PGV and ICV valves, so which we have been used widely in all residential and commercial irrigation projects. So in when it comes to the Hunter, so these both valves has the lot of demand. So generally we use this model for the all kind of projects whenever we are using Hunter products. So yeah, but now we are going to discuss about the advanced features which has been included in the current days. So we know that we can attach accusing pressure regulation, which regulates the pressure according to our need, and the filter sentry, which is also the uh, effective advanced features. It cleans the filters twice during each valve cycle, and it is attached to the diaphragm. So the filter sensor you can add this after installing the valve also. So all valves are 100% water tested to ensure reliable operation once installed. So no need to worry about the operational features of this Hunter irrigation valves. So yeah, first we are going to discuss about 1 inch PGV and PGV jot up. So this is the PGV normal model. It has a bonnet to screw the uh, top, and it has some key benefits such as it has quick and easy activation at the valve, and double bedded diaphragm seal design ensures leak free performance. And jaw top model provides easy access without tools. So there are a lot of key benefits for this on PGV and PGB jaw top. Accusing pressure regulations at the valve, DC latching solenoid for battery powered controllers. Whenever you are using battery powered, you have to go with DC latching solenoid model, and solenoid conduit cover. So it is basically covered with the conduit, and then factory in LS in the sense some kind of codes we need to include before ordering this specific valve model. So LS in the sense valve with also DC in the sense DC also not for battery powered control, JT in the sense jot up models operating specifications. So up to 40 GPM you can go with 1 inch PGV or PGV jot up model. Warranty period is 2 years, and it does operate with the 25 VSC solenoid. So this is the jot top model. You don't need any screws. Just you can just rotate and clockwise or anti-clockwise to open and close for this operation. So and dimensions has been given in this picture. So you can just have a look at the each and every details in this video. So double beater diagram. Yeah, this is the double beater diagram which provides the leak-free maintenance. Next one is this is how we need to order the specific model for your irrigation system. Each code has, for example, PGB 100 in the sense this is the for normal model. This is for jar top model. PGB 100A 1 inch plastic angle valve without flow control, female NPT inlet and outlet. 100G 100S in the sense slip inlet and outlet. LS in the sense depth solenoid. MP in the sense male NPT inlet. 1 inch poly 1 inch outlet for poly insert. These are some different kinds of models you need to order before. Uh, yeah, you need to keep that in mind before you order the product. And JT in the sense it indicates the jot of model. So similar to this model, it has same. Uh, just you need to add the JT after the 100 so that you will get the jot of model for every uh, valve. Next one is pressure loss. Of course, depending upon the GBM, you will lose the pressure. So for the globe, you will lose the different. You will lose the different pressure for the globe, and you will lose the different for the angle valve. So it's always you can see this angle valve has the low pressure loss comparing to the globe valve. So it's always better to go with an angle. Next one is male into bob. It has some slight difference in pressure loss. So you need to ensure this before check this before ordering the model. Which type of model suits your irrigation? So you need to keep this in mind pressure loss everything in your hand so that you can choose the suitable valves for your irrigation system. Uh, for example, if you have male into male, it will consume the 2 psi. If it is male into bob, it has it consumes the 2 psi. So there will be a loss of 2 psi pressure for if you are go with this outlet, inlet and outlet. AAC means an anti-stepping mode. So it has the same kind of uh, key benefits comparing to the other PGB board, but it has the anti-siphon mode attached to this. So DC latching solenoid for battery port controllers, removable anti-siphon cap for simple servicing. So these are the different things you need to keep that in mind. Next one is LS in the sense valve without solenoid, DC in the sense DC latching solenoid for different battery power controllers. Operating specifications 40 GPM for 1 inch valve. Warranty period is same like the previous one. So it has the same benefit as like the PGV 1 inch valve. So how to order this? You have to order this PGV 075 in the sense 3x4 with anti-siphon less in the sense slip inlet and outlet, and LS in the sense without solenoids. ASV 101 in the sense um, 1 inch valve, and 101 in the sense again you have to order the different. And this is the pressure loss for the different flow rate for each 1 inch and 3x4 inch valves. Next, I'm going to half-inch and 2 inch PGB valve. So this is similar. Basically, this is similar to the uh, 1 inch valve. So the size matters a lot. So external internal bleed allows for quick and easy activation of the valve. Double beaded diaphragm seals design ensures leak-free performance. Each valve available with globe or angle configuration for convenient placement. So accuracy pressure regulations at the valve, DC latching solenoid, better battery power controllers. Next one is the factory installed option is LS valve without solenoid, DC latching solenoid, battery power controllers. Operating specifications are there. PGV, you have to order this like this: PGV 150, PGV 115 DC, PGV 115 LS. So the pressure loss for the 1.5 inch and 2 inch valves are has given here. So you can just have a look on this how much pressure loss it will occur. So keep that in mind. Next one is ICV valve. So we are moving from the PGV to ICV valve. It has optional filters, entry aperture filter, subcoach filter screen in dirty water conditions. Manual bleed allows for quick and easy activation of the valve. Glass filled nylon construction provides high pressure rating and reliability. Uh, Again, double beaded diaphragm seal design ensures leak-free performance, and 101G in the sense globe, and G in the sense it indicates globe valve, A in the sense it indicates the angle valve. So we know this globe angle valve causes the minimum pressure loss, whereas the globe valve causes the maximum pressure loss comparing to the angle valve. So again, same features as like the PGB valves. So just the flow rate and the futures has been differentiated from the ICV and PGV valves. So for example, ICV one can go up to 40 GPM. You can go from 1.1 to 150 GPM, or this is to up to 200 GPM, 300 GPM. So these are the things you need to keep that in mind. Yeah. In cost wise, you can PGV valves are uh, less cost comparing to the ICV ones. So in the case of R, if you want a reclaimed body cap with the reclaimed tag, you need to choose include air in the in the model before ordering your product. So this is how you need to order the uh, ICV valves, and this is the pressure loss for the ICV valves for the different flow rates. So this is filter sentry. So each valve has a different features, and AccuSync you can attach this in the valve body. So you just this is the adapter for the AccuSync and the solenoid. So you have to insert this in the solenoid place, and on this upon this you have to install the solenoid, and then in lateral direction you have to install AccuSync. So you have to flow different flow rates for the AccuSync valve. For example 5 to 40 GPM, so that it will operate efficiently. If you have the uh, flow range before below the recommended range, so obviously you will end up with improper operation of the AccuSync. So this is how uh, you need to order your products, and different features and models are available. So I have attached the PDF products in this video. So don't worry about that, you can get this PDF. So if you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask me. So bye bye, thank you for joining today. We will discuss again in one more topic tomorrow.